Hello guys, welcome to our channel KH-Technos Kids and more. So welcome to our channel friends. So sorry that I am not making videos from 4 weeks, okay, because I had exams and I was busy. So yes, I started a video. It's a very short video and you'll like it. So you now have internet and your relatives or someone went outside and you want to call them, but but your mobile phone doesn't have balance. So what you'll do means indirectly I'll tell how do you indirectly, not I'm telling indirectly now only. No, so now I'll tell you directly now. The video is about how to make free calls from laptop to phone. Okay friends, so let's start our video. Yes friends, so now first what you want to do is you first open Google or something else, any browser you can use. After that, what you type is, here you can see www.reversephone-number-lookup.com. So you go to here and now you'll get like this something. Actually, okay, I'll reload. So you'll get like this friends something here, and call, you'll go here in calls, and after that you click here on the arrow icon, and after that on your keyboard type I. If you type I, it will start from I and India. Yes, my country is India. So once you type, you enter a number. Okay, I'm entering a number. 1 second. Yes friends, I have entered my mobile number, not mine, my mother's. Okay, I now let's call. She's saying connecting, and I can show you here. This is my mother phone. So see it came. We got it working. Let's lift the call. As you can see here, see, we got a call and it's unknown number. Once they lift the call, you can talk from here and they will receive it. Okay, so did you like the video? If you liked it, please click the like button and subscribe our channel and click on the hit that bell icon for more updates and like this type of videos. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm ready to help you always. Your helping friend KH. If you want any type of video, or just type a message in comment section. Okay, or you can join our Discord server and communicate with me anytime, anywhere. So bye friends, hope have a nice day.